AVERAGEIFS calculates the average of a set of numbers, but based on one or more criteria. So, for example, I want to know the average attendance for these Manchester United matches, but only for the matches where the venue was home. But what about if one of the criteria included an or, such as what's the average attendance for matches that were played on Saturday or Sunday? First, let's look at a couple of simple examples. I've converted the data into a table called soccer. In L1, I've entered a formula to calculate the average number of goals scored per match. That's coming from column F, but only for matches played at home. That's column D. Because the data is stored in a table, I've used structured references, i.e. table name, column name. But I could have referenced F2 to F61 and D2 to D61. The formula is saying calculate the average of the numbers in the for column of the table called soccer, where the venue column in the table contains the word home. The first argument is the column that contains the values that I want to find the average of. The second argument is the column that the criteria will be applied to. The third argument is the actual criteria, which goes in double quotes. AVERAGEIFS, unlike AVERAGEIF, which is a very similar function, lets you apply more than one criteria. In L2, I have this formula. It calculates the average attendance for Europa League matches at home. In this example, I have multiple criteria. The competition column contains Europa League, and the venue column contains home. The final example is where the or comes in. I want the average attendance for away matches played on Saturday or Sunday. You'd think that was as simple as doing this. For the second criteria, I've used an or function with sat and sun as the arguments. However, as you can see, that's not worked. It's generated an error. And that's because the AVERAGEIFS function uses a logical and doesn't support or inside a single criteria range. So I thought, okay, what if I work out the average attendance for away matches played on Saturday and put that in one cell, and the average attendance for away matches played on Sunday and put that in another cell, and then calculate the average of those two numbers. And that gave me 41,845. I could have left it there. I could have just accepted that was the right answer. To be honest, that's what most people would do, because we trust Excel and we trust our own logic. Something I've learnt over the years is to double check formulas and results. So I decided to manually apply a filter to the table and then select the visible numbers in column I and look at the average in the status bar. And the value it returned was 42,170, which isn't 41,845. Okay, it's only 300 or so out, but it's still not the same value. So that said to me, my formula was wrong. And that's when I hit a brick wall in terms of trying to find a solution and turn to the forums for help. To cut a long story short, I found a couple of ways of doing it, both of which gave the correct answer. This is one way. It uses a combination of SUMIFS and COUNTIFS. Add the attendances where the venue is away and the day is Saturday to the attendances where the venue is away and the day is Sunday. Count the number of rows where the venue is away and the day is Saturday, and add that to the number of rows where the venue is away and the day is Sunday, and then divide the first total by the second total. The second option is a little bit simpler, but only works in versions of Excel that support the filter function. It applies a filter to the attendance column, extracting only the values for the rows where venue is away and day is Saturday or Sunday. In the filter function, the asterisk means and the plus means or. It then calculates the average of those values. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more Excel tips and tricks, check out my website at theexceltrainer.co.uk. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, have an excellent day.